So today I have another snow day and I decided to come out to Soccer Tongue Guns and Rods to use my bow. I came out with James today and he's gonna go over to the pistol range, which is over there. You won't be able to see him, but you'll definitely be able to hear him because he is shooting his Glock 43 while I'm over here on the archery range. Woo! I'm gonna have a little fun today and shoot from the lifted stand on the archery range. Which is gonna stink when I actually have to go get my arrows from the target because I didn't wear boots and there is about a foot of snow out here. So that's gonna be an adventure. Alrighty, let's see what we're working with. Woo, not bad. I lowered my draw weight today because my shoulder has been killing me. So I'm actually shooting pretty low. So I'm gonna have to, I don't have any tools to adjust my sight, so I'm gonna have to try to adjust my sight by counteracting the low draw weight. Sweet. This is awesome. I've actually never shot from up here and it's really cool. Woo! So you can't see it, but I'm shooting from about 20 yards out and 10 yards high. So I'm burying them in there pretty good. Can't quite see the tips of them. I'll walk up and show you. That really loud sound is James shooting on the pistol range. And I'm gonna go join him in a few minutes after I get a few rounds in on the archery range. Woo! We are going to go get my arrows now. And I honestly can't believe it snowed over a week ago. And I cannot believe that nobody's been out here yet to shoot. There are no footprints out here. Oh, let's see. So as expected, I wasn't really focusing too hard, but pretty decent group below and to the right, so I really need to adjust. Oh, James is so loud. Adjust my sight. So I've never shot from a tree stand, and I'm concerned now because I'm shooting at the 30-yard target, and I'm not, I don't know if you can see the second one back there. I've never shot quite this far. I've shot this far, but not from this high. And it's really hard to adjust my sight. And one, I just drilled into the ground, well, into the wood right in front of it. So I probably just broke an arrow. And then I think I just drilled one pretty high over it. And I think it's gonna be lost forever in the snow. So we shall see. I'm a little upset now. Shameless plug for my favorite truck in the world. I'm gonna go set my bow down and go search for those arrows. Let's see what we come up with. I'm trying to walk in the same footprints, but I feel like it's harder to walk in the same footprints than just make new ones. Ugh. So here's my first, the closer target. I was just kind of drilling them back. Let's see what damage I did to my, oh my gosh. Nailed one right into the wood. Oh, my poor arrow. This thing's gonna be stuck forever. Oh, there is no chance I get this out of the wood. That is freaking in there. I'm gonna be spending another 12 bucks on an arrow. Oh, I should not have done this. Oh God, that's in there. Oh. Well, that's disappointing. Maybe James can help me get it out later. Now I'm gonna search for the arrow that I lost over the target somewhere into the snow. So I'm looking for green feathers. If I lost 2 arrows, I might cry. Alright, where did this arrow go? I think I hit this far over. What is wrong with me? I completely give up looking for my arrow, but you just have to love archery and hunting because it's just so funny. Pacific bow butts. Super butt. Ah, LOL. It just butts. No one else thinks that's funny? Okay, I'm awkward. Well, I'm disappointed in my archery skills right now, so I'm gonna go join James on the pistol range. Let's see what he's got cooking up over there. I made James this little tray to hold his bullets and apparently his keys while he shoots. Now it's my turn to use the Glock 43.
Hey, hey, hey.
So today James is using or comparing his heavy ammo versus his carrying ammo, which is much lighter and a much lighter grain. So I shot them both and you can really tell a difference. The light arrow does not nearly have as much of a kick, and it's pretty awesome to use. It's way more comfortable to use actually. I'm really glad that he's testing it out today. Good job! Alright, now let's take a quick look for my other one. So, it went pretty dead center, but right over it. Thanks for your encouragement. I don't think we will either, though. Heading on back. He got out one of my arrows. Still lost one. Grr.